Welcome to another edition of Android Application Development. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create or how to put an image uh, in your Android project using Java Eclipse. So this is a demonstration how to use buttons using Android project. So first you need to create Android project. So image button demo. Then I will change the name here to something less generic. Then press next, 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 and finish. Now, what we're gonna do is to create. So this is the working activity. So I have this different kinds of picture, uh, that PNG format. This is that PNG format. So I'm gonna drag the three floppy mount. So this picture should go to the drawable folders. So we see here that it has four drawable folders. We get the high, low, medium, and the extra high GPI. So generally, you could, if you wanted to put a picture, so you can just drag the picture or import straight in. Uh, you need to pick one of them. So the Android suggests you need to use the a high different high or the medium, so let's just drag that in. I'm giving you an option of link to files or the copy the files, so just press OK. So now I've got the files here, so I can begin using them. So let's go ahead. Let's put a image button. Let's find the image, then image button, then drag it to the on the screen. Then the Android gives me a option. So let's try the, anyway. uh, I choose three floppy, then okay. Then so okay, so control 11, then try to launch it, then yes, but there's an error. So let's track down the errors. The first thing to do is check the left folders. So you can see that we have this X button, X or X icon. We're having some problem generating the file. So if you look at this, uh, these are the generated contents, Drupal folders. Then it's created names, each of my resources. For example, black device, camera. These numbers are automatically assigned. So what's the problem? Well, this is a Java file, and this not a valid Java file. You can create a custom name to three floppy amount. So we have to get rid of that number. So we're not gonna modify that file. So let's close it. Search. Let's just change the uh, name. We can just look the logcast or console or the problems. It says a syntax error on a token 3F. Delete this token. So it's suggesting, it's giving us some link. So let's the name should be a lowercase and should not start with a number. So you can just right click or F2. So let's delete the tree, then okay. Now we can see here that we have created one problem. So if I were to rebuild, I would what's going on here? Let's just hide it. Then you can see that my image is having a problem for a while. Uh, let's take it one step at a problem at a time. Let's press clean, then clean the image button. So alright, then oh, okay, what's the problem? Uh, okay, I press the main activity, then just save it. Then go back to the activity, then just rename the source, then so save, then come back here. So it has not yet built the R file. So project, then clean, then I'm gonna clean all the projects. So notice that the errors are gone. So the notice that the floppy has no numbers. So Control F11, then execute it. So it's loading the files. So I've got a button now. It's just a standard button. So let's just give it a button. Then let's put a method. Let's call it configure image button. Then it's automatically generate. Just press Control 1. So let's type image button. Then button equals cast image button. Then I'm gonna get it find view by ID. Then in here I get to specify the RID that image button on. So just import Android widget. So let's say button that are set on click listener, new view that on click listener. Then I can put a text inside the click listener. So choose the make choose then context. So make main activity that this, then text you clicked the button, then duration. So different solution. Let's host the length long. Then that shows. So the next thing to do is let's run that. the configure image button. So it looks like application. Click on. So I'm gonna show you one more thing. To change the image, and when you click the button, the image will automatically change. And I'm gonna just copy the codes. Then I'm gonna comment here, change image on button. So let's try this button that says set image. I'm gonna choose uh, so the file. So I'm going to source r dot so job because it's a neutral folder that so let's choose a picture. I can pick anyone. So I'll pick camera. So so let's try that. So then you have to change it. So once you've created a image button, uh, you are done with this tutorial. Grabe.